Adding account names to MoolahPlan allows you to start tracking recurring bills associated with the account. In this video, I will walk you through how to add account names or update account names that you have already added to MoolahPlan. More often than not, your bills will come from a designated checking account. For this example, we will create the account name as B of A, Joint Checking. If you are not sharing the account, you can name it something like My Bills. Click Add or Update Account. In the account name, type your account name. Then click Submit. This will create an account card in MoolahPlan. If you are tracking bills for multiple accounts, simply add another account name such as Chase, Checking or TD, Checking. Then click Submit. If you need to change an account name, select the account name you want to change, type the new name, then click Submit. You are now ready to begin adding your bills to MoolahPlan.